How AI is revolutionizing cybersecurity. Cyber threats are evolving faster than ever, and traditional security methods are struggling to keep up. But what if artificial intelligence could predict and stop attacks before they happen? Today, we are diving into how AI is transforming cybersecurity and whether it's the future of digital defense. From automated malware detection to AI-driven threat intelligence, artificial intelligence is reshaping the way we defend against cyber attacks. But it is really as powerful as it seems. Let's break it down. Cybercrime is expected to cost the world over $10.5 trillion annually by 2025. The sheer volume of attacks makes it impossible for human analysts alone to keep up. That's why AI steps in, detecting threats, analyzing patterns, and responding in real time. How AI is used in cybersecurity. Let's start with threat detection and anomaly detection. AI-powered systems can monitor networks 24/7 and detect suspicious behavior instantly. By analyzing millions of data points, AI can spot patterns that might indicate a cyber attack before it happens. Next, we will discuss about predictive threat intelligence. Instead of just reacting to attacks, AI can predict them, and by analyzing past attacks and patterns, AI can forecast future threats and help organizations prepare in advance. Next, we will dive into automated response systems. When an attack is detected, AI doesn't just send an alert. It can automatically block malicious traffic, isolate infected devices, and even trigger countermeasures within seconds. Let's dive into the topic: benefits of AI in cybersecurity. Speed and efficiency. AI processes data in real time, much faster than humans. Scalability. AI can analyze massive datasets without fatigue. Reduced false positives. AI refines its accuracy over time, reducing unnecessary alerts. With AI, organizations can strengthen their security posture and minimize the damage of cyber threats. But it's not all perfect. AI also has its limitations. Let's now discuss about challenges and risks of AI in cybersecurity. AI can be hacked. Attackers can manipulate AI models using adversarial attacks. Ethical concerns. AI decisions lack human judgment and can sometimes lead to biases. High implementation costs. Not every company can afford advanced AI security solutions. While AI offers incredible advancements, it's not a silver bullet. Security teams must combine AI with human expertise to ensure a strong, ethical, and effective cybersecurity strategy. Let's discuss about future of AI in cybersecurity. AI-driven cyber defense platforms, more automation in cybersecurity operations. Quantum AI security, preparing for the post-quantum era. AI versus cyber battles. Hackers will use AI too, leading to an AI-powered cyber arms race. As cyber threats evolve, so will AI defenses. The question is, can AI stay ahead of the hackers? What do you think? Will AI be the ultimate cybersecurity solution? Or it will create new risks we haven't even imagined yet? Let me know this in the comments. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cybersecurity insights. Stay safe online, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.